Look at this guy. Has some help, my man.
Yeah.
I'm gonna help you out. I got a battery.
Okay.
There's no hooker. There's no stopper.
No.
Oh fuck.
I know.
I'm gonna
I can just hold it.
You hold him up, all right?
Yeah, all right.
I'm gonna put you in YouTube, my man.
Thank you.
Yeah. What's your name, brother?
Keyshawn.
Keyshawn.
Yes, sir.
Got lucky. I got a charger. I got a jumper.
Okay.
Are you leaving? All right. See you later. Okay. Just call me when you need me.
I'm trying to take it to the shop
Yeah.
before it closed.
Oh, okay, gotcha. So I'm glad I got this one. Trying to help out this guy.
I think you're parking here.
You can park anywhere, I believe.
Where do you see the 5 bucks?
Inside?
Inside?
Yes. That building over there?
Yeah, because I'm going to the concert. You got it?
Yeah.
About like $60 park?
Right, yeah. Park here.
Thank you, bro.
Yeah.
Okay, let's help this guy, man. Okay, first of all, we're gonna put this positive here. Let's see if it's gonna help out this guy. And the negative. Oops. Okay. You connected already?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me start my engine.
All right. Okay.
Okay, I got it.
Okay. Thank you.
All right, my man.
Yeah.
Got it?
Got it.
Happy, my man?
Yes,
What's
sir.
your name again, brother?
Keyshawn.
Keystone.
Keystone.
Robert, man.
Nice to
Look
meet
at
you,
that. I'm
Robert.
trying to help this guy, man.
Yeah, you got
Have
me.
fun, man. Yeah?
Yeah.
Subscribe my YouTube, my man.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Check it out, man.
All right.
Good. I'm trying to help this guy, man.
So I'm going to be on there, huh?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me show you. Let me show you my YouTube channel, my man.
Okay.